Yeah, I had a terrible, like, knocking, clunking noise in my 2000 Ford F250 Super Duty up in the front end. I couldn't figure out what it was, and it ended up being these sway bar end link bushings were totally gone. This is the driver's side front, and you can see I wasn't going to make a video about this, but I figured, well, maybe I can help somebody else out. Yeah, this was totally gone. When it's mounted on the car and really tight, it's hard to tell. But yeah, I thought I would let's make a video. So I went with Master Pro from O'Reilly's. Paid $35 for both the right front and the left front. I can tell you the passenger side right here is a little more angled than the driver's side. Yeah, I can show you why. This is about a 30-minute job to take the old ones off and to put the new ones on. It was really very easy, but on the passenger side you have this exhaust manifold system. It's got a brace welded onto it right here that kind of gets in the way of putting the long bolt up in the top, but it's not something that's going to give you a big headache. Another thing I did was I put the grease fittings on before I put everything together. I faced both of them down before I tightened up the nuts. I put a grease gun on there to make sure that I was going to be able to get to everything really easy. If not, I was going to re-angle them. Yeah, this is a very easy job. I'll say the only reason I made this video at all was because of this. On a Triton V10, you got all this exhaust manifold system on the passenger side that, you know, gets in the way a little bit, but it's not something that'll give you a big headache. But yeah, if you want to do this, go ahead and tackle it. It's not hard at all. And that solved my knock. I just took a drive down the road and went over a bunch of railroad tracks just to be sure. And yeah, it's solid. Drives much better now.